Hello students, as you know I already provided you part 1 short question and part 2 short question. Today I brought for you part 2 trigonometric ratio of multiple angles short questions. So before starting this trigonometric ratio of multiple angles, I'm going to provide you formula of multiple angles, which is very important. Let's take a start. Now write down the formula. Write down the formulas of multiple angle. Sine 2a, and the formula is 2 sine a cos a. Sine 2a formula is 2 sine a cos a. Similarly, another formula of sine 2a is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. The formula of sine 2a in the form of tan is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Similarly, in the form of cot, sine 2a formula in the form of cot, 2 cot a by 1 plus cot square a. So sine 2a formula in the form of cot is 2 cot a by 1 plus cot square a. Similarly, go for cos 2a. We have more formula of cos 2a. Cos 2a, cos square a minus sine square a. Another formula of cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. Another formula of cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sine square a. Another formula of cos 2a is 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Another formula of cos 2a is cot square a minus 1 by cot square a plus 1. We have 5 formula of cos 2a. According to condition, we have to use these all formula, and after that tan 2a we have formula. Let's write down here tan 2a. Tan 2a formula is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. You can see here sine 2a formula and tan 2a formula. Sine 2a formula in the form of tan 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a, but tan 2a formula is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. Here is plus and here is minus. That much only different. You have to use the concept and you have to learn. Similarly, tan 2a formula in the form of cot, tan 2a in the form of cot, 2 cot a by cot square a minus 1, but we need in the form of tan cot very less. Okay, hope you copied up to here. Now I will provide you sine 3a, cos 3 and tan 3a formula. Now sine 3a formula. Sine 3a formula is sine cube a minus sine 3a. Sine 3a formula is 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. You have to write 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Sine 3a formula is 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Similarly, cos 3a formula is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. You can see here sine 3a formula and cos 3a formula. Cos 3a formula is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Similarly, tan 3a formula is, write on the formula, tan 3a formula is 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Similarly, cot 3a formula is cot cube a minus 3 cot a by 3 cot square a minus 1. Hope you understand this all formula. You have to learn sine 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a, cot 3a, tan 3a, sine 3a and cos 3a. This much formula is very important for trigonometric ratio of multiple angles. Now I'm going to start short question from same exercise. So the question is, if cos alpha is root 7 by 4, find the value of sin 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha and tan 2 alpha. The value of cos alpha is given here, root 7 by 4. We have to find out the value of sin 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha and tan 2 alpha. What is the formula of sin 2 alpha? 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Cos 2 alpha, we have 5 formulas. You can use any. Cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, or 2 cos square alpha minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square alpha, or 1 minus tan square alpha, or 1 plus tan square alpha. Any formulas you can use which you feel easy. And tan 2 alpha, we have 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha. But 2 tan alpha means we can do sin 2 alpha by cos 2 alpha also, or you can use directly formula of tan 2 alpha is 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha. So let's take a start. Here is cos alpha. Solution. First question from multiple angles, short questions. We are doing short questions, and in part 2 short questions. Now you will get in next video part 2 long questions. Here cos alpha is root 7 by 4. After this we need sin also, because sin 2 alpha formula is 2 sin alpha cos alpha. We have cos alpha but we don't have sin alpha. So first of all we have to find out sin alpha. To find out sin alpha, formula is 1 minus cos square alpha root under 1 minus cos alpha. The value of cos alpha is root 7 by 4. So we can write root 7 by 4 whole square. And after that root under 1 minus root 7 square means 7, 4 square means 16. After that 16 LCM, 16 minus 7 root under, when you subtract this 2 we get 9 by 16. Okay, up to here is equal to 3 by 4. Root 9 means 3 and root 16 means 4. So the value of sin alpha is 3 by 4. Now we have to find out sin 2 alpha. Sin 2 alpha formula is 2 sin alpha cos alpha. 2. What is the value of sin alpha? The value of sin alpha is 3 by 4. So in the place of sin alpha we have to write 3 by 4. Similarly cos alpha, the value of cos alpha is what is here already given, root 7 by 4. So write down here root 7 by 4. Now multiply 2 into 3 6. 6 root 7 by 4 into 4 16. Okay. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. So answer is 3 root under 7 by 8. The value of sin 2 alpha is 3 root 7 by 8. After this we have to find out cos 2 alpha. You can see here cos 2 alpha. You can use here cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, because we have the value of cos alpha also and we have the value of sin alpha also. Or you can use formula 1 minus 2 sin square alpha, because we have sin alpha. Or you can use 2 cos square alpha minus 1. You can use this 3 formula. Tan and cot we don't use, because cos 2 alpha formula in the form of tan, if you use, we don't have the value of tan alpha. If you use cot formula, we don't have the value of cot formula. So better use 3 formulas here: cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, or 2 cos square alpha minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. Out of 3 use any, you will get same answer. So cos 2 alpha I am going to use 2 cos square alpha minus 1, which you feel easy, that formula you can use here. So 2 cos alpha formula value, the alpha value is root 7 by 4. So here we can write root 7 by 4 whole square minus 1. 2 root 7 means 7, 4 square means 16 minus 1. 2 8s are 16. Now here taking LCM 8, here we can write 7 minus 8 is equal to minus 1 by 8. So the value of cos alpha is minus 1 by 8. Similarly, we have to find out the value of tan 2 alpha also. Now I'm going to do here tan 2 alpha. Look at here, tan 2 alpha. Tan 2 alpha, what I told you before, sin 2 alpha by cos 2 alpha. You can use here formula sine 2 alpha by cos 2 alpha, or you can use now what is the value of sine 2 alpha? Sine 2 alpha is 3 root 7 by 8 is by cos 2 alpha is minus 1 by 8. 8 and 8 cancel, so the answer is root under 3 root under 7. So minus 3 root under 7 is the answer of tan 2 alpha. In here, if you want to use tan 2 alpha formula, 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha, then you have to find out the value of tan alpha. How to find out the value of tan alpha? Tan alpha means sine alpha by cos alpha. Sine alpha means this, cos alpha means this. Tan alpha means sine alpha by cos. When you divide this two, we get tan alpha. Then tan 2 alpha formula you can use in the form of tan. The first question is this. Now look at second question, which is very important. If sine theta is 1 by 2, find the value of sine 3 theta cos 3 theta. We have to find out the value of sine 3 theta cos 3 theta. So to find out the value of sine 3 theta and cos 3 theta, you have to know formula. Sine 3 theta formula, 3 sine theta minus sine cube theta. Similarly, cos 3 theta formula, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So here the value of sine theta is given. We have to find out cos theta also. Solution. Here sine theta is 1 by 2. Now we have to find out the value of cos theta. Cos theta means root under 1 minus sine square theta. Now put the value of sine square theta here, 1 minus the value of sine theta is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square, root under 1 minus 1 by 2 square means 4. Now taking LCM here, 4 into 1, 4 minus 1, root under root 3 by 4. So we can write root 3 by 2. Root 3 means root 3, root 4 means 2. Okay, we have the value of cos theta. After this, we have to find out the value of sine 3 theta and cos 3 theta. So sine 3 theta we have to find out. Sine 3 theta formula is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. 3. What is the value of sine theta? Already given here 1 by 2. So we can write here 1 by 2 minus 4 sine cube theta. Sine theta we have the value 1 by 2. Whole cube is there, write on whole cube. 3 into 1 by 2 means 3 by 2 minus 4 into 1 by 2 power 3 means 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Taking LCM here, 2, 3 minus 1. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So the value of sine 3 theta is 1. If you are watching just to complete your trigonometry course, then stop. Try to understand, try to learn each and every question. Don't copy. Try to learn first, then only you can copy. If you just completing the course, then no need. You have to understand each and every question, each and every process, then you can do other questions, harder questions. Now I'm going to find out the value of cos 3 theta, sin 3 theta formula value is here. Now I'm going to erase this one and finding cos 3 theta. You have to know the value of cos theta, root 3 by 2. Cos 3 theta. What is the formula of cos 3 theta? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now just put the value cos theta. We have the value of cos theta, root 3 by 2. We found already, power 3 minus 3. And the cos theta is root 3 by 2. 4. Now this one, look at here properly. Root 3 power 3 means what? Guess once. Root 3 power 3 means root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Look at here properly. Root 3 power 3 means root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 means 3 root 3. This one is remaining right here. Root 3 into root 3 means 3. So root 3. So we can write here 3 root under 3 by 2 power 3. 2 into 2 into 2 means 8 minus 3 root under 3 by 2. We have to multiply by numerator only, not with denominator, only upper side. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 3 root 3 by 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2. Now both are same, one positive, one negative. So when you subtract, when you cancel this 2, we get 0. So we got the value of cos 3 theta, which is 0. Hope you understand how to find out sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta. Now look at question number 3. We have a question, prove that 1 minus cos 2a by sin 2a is equal to tan a. We have to prove 1 minus cos 2a by sin 2a is equal to tan a. So take LHS here. While taking LHS, what we have to write? 1 minus cos 2a by sin 2a. We have to prove tan. So to solve this type of problem, you have to know the formula of multiple angles. I already provided before starting the video of part 2, trigonometric ratio of multiple angles. I already provided formula of multiple angles. So look at here how to prove tan A. Here is 1, here is minus 2a. We have to prove tan. Tan means sin by cos. So we have to use formula of cos 2a in the form of sin, because to prove tan we need sin by cos. So here we have to use sin formula. 1 minus, what is the formula of sin? 2 cos a formula in the form of sin. 1 minus 2 sin square a. Sin 2a formula we know that 2 sin a cos a. Now 1 minus 1 minus minus plus 2 sin square a by 2 sin a cos a. Now 1 and 1 cancel. So what is remaining here? 2 sin square a by 2 sin a cos a. 2 and 2 cancel. Square and sin a also cancel. So what is remaining here? Sin a by cos a. Sin a by cos a is equal to tan a. RHS proved. We have to prove tan a. Tan a is here. Now look at next question number 4. I have a question, prove that sin 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to cot theta. We have to prove cot theta. Now let's take LHS. LHS sin 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now you can see in RHS what we have to prove. Cot. Cot means cos by sin. Cot means cos by sin. Okay, so sin 2a formula we have to use only 1, 2 sin theta cos theta, but cos 2 theta formula we have 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 cos square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So out of 2 we have to use 1, but which one we have to use? It depends on RHS. We have to prove cot. Cot means cos by sin. So we have to use sin formula here. Sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta means 1 minus, which formula we have to use? Sin formula. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now 2 sin theta cos theta by 1 minus 1 minus minus plus 2 sin square theta. 1 and 1 cancel. So what is remaining here? 2 sin theta cos theta by 2 sin square theta. 2 and 2 cancel. Sin theta and square cancel. So remaining cos theta by sin theta, and cos by sin you know that cot theta. RHS proved. Hope you understand this question. Now look at question number 5. Question is, prove that sin alpha plus sin 2 alpha by 1 plus cos alpha cos 2 alpha is equal to tan alpha. We have to prove tan alpha. So take LHS first of all. Left hand side. Sin alpha plus sin 2 alpha by 1 plus cos alpha plus cos 2 alpha. Here what we have to prove? Sin. tan. We have to prove tan alpha. Tan alpha means sin alpha by cos alpha. So here we have to use cos 2 alpha formula in the form of cos. In this type of question, sin 2 alpha we have to use only one, 2 sin alpha cos alpha, and cos 2 alpha sometimes we have to use 2 cos square alpha minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. Only 3 formulas we have to use here. We have to prove tan means sin by cos. Sin 2 alpha only one we have to use. Cos 2 alpha we have 2 formula. If we proved here cot, then we have to use sin formula. If we prove here tan, we have to use cos formula, because sin by cos we need cos here. So look at here once. Sin alpha plus sin 2 alpha means 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Similarly 1 plus cos alpha plus cos 2 alpha we have to use in the form of cos 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Now 1 and 1 we can cancel. So from here what is the common? We can take common here sin alpha. Remaining here nothing. So 1 plus 2 cos alpha. From here what is the common? From this 2 term cos alpha is common. So remaining here is nothing. So 1 plus 2 cos alpha cos alpha. Now you can see we can cancel this 2. So we can cancel it, and remaining sin by cos, sin alpha by cos alpha. Sin by cos alpha means tan alpha. RHS proved. Okay, this question number 5. Now look at next question number 6. The question is, prove that cos 2a by 1 plus sin 2a is equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a. Here in this type of question, either you can take LHS or RHS as your wish. I'm going to take LHS. Okay, I will do from LHS. You can do from RHS also. To do from RHS, tan you have to convert sin by cos, then you have to take LCM, then you have to rationalize. Now look at this one. By LHS, cos 2a by 1 plus sin 2a. Cos 2a formula, cos square a minus sin square a, and here in the place of 1 we can write sin square a plus cos square a plus sin 2a value 2 sin a cos a. Where we have to use which formula, it depends on practice, and by looking RHS you have to do practice. How much you practice, you can understand this type of proofs and you can do properly. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square, so we can use formula cos a plus sin a cos a minus sin a. Now this, look at here, this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write here sin a plus cos a whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So square and this we can cancel, because cos a plus sin a or sin a plus cos a, same thing, so we can cancel. So what is remaining here? Cos a minus sin a by, or cos a plus sin a you can write. We are interchanging these two. Either you can write sin a plus cos a or cos a plus sin a, same thing. We have to prove 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a. To prove 1 minus tan a, tan means sin by cos. To prove 1 we have to divide by cos. So dividing both sides by cos. So we can write here dividing by cos. So we can write here cos a by cos a minus sin a by cos a. Similarly cos a by cos a minus, or here is plus, sin a by cos a. Now you can see cos by cos means 1 minus sin by cos means tan a. Here also 1 plus tan a. Cos by cos means 1, sin by cos means tan. RHS proved. RHS proved. Dividing cos a in numerator and denominator, you can write like this, or dividing numerator and denominator by cos a, you have to write at the side, dividing numerator and denominator by cos A. Hope you understand this question. Now look at next question. We have a question, prove that sin A cos 2A is equal to 1 by 4 sin 4A and sec A. I'm going to take RHS here. Now look at once. RHS 1 by 4 sin 4A sec A. Why to take RHS? Look at here, 4A. It's easy to convert in the form of cos 2A, but cos 2A is very hard to convert in the form of 4A. So we can reduce, but we cannot increase. Look at it, 1 by 4 sin 4A, we can write sin 2 into 2A, sin 2A. We are converting this sin 4A in the form of sin 2A. And here is sec means we can write 1 by cos A, because here in LHS you can see here is no sec A, so we can convert the sec A in the form of cos A. So we can write here 1 by cos A. Now 1 by 4, this is in the form of sin 2A, and we know the value of sin 2A, we know the formula of sin 2A, 2 sin A cos A. But in the place of A, what we have to write down? 2A, because look at here, sin 2A. In the place of A, what is here? 2A. So we can write 2 sin A cos A into 1 by cos A. Okay. Now look at here, LHS. Here we need sin A and cos 2A. Cos 2A is here. Now no need to change this cos 2A, because we already got cos 2A. Now while solving this and this, we need sin A. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 by 2. Again you can see here, this is formula of sin 2A. We can use the formula of sin 2A. So we can use 2 sin A cos A. Okay, sin 2A formula, 2 sin A cos A. Cos 2A, write down same, cos 2A into 1 by cos A. After this, 2 and 2 cancel, cos A and cos A cancel. So what is remaining here? Sin A cos 2A, sin A cos 2A, sin A cos 2A. RHS proved. Sorry, LHS proved. LHS proved. Hope you understand these all questions. I provided you 7 questions of multiple angles, trigonometric ratio of multiple angles, short questions. 7 short questions I provided, which is very important and maximum times repeated in SEE examination too. No need to go through your book. If you go from these videos, short questions and long questions, you can cover whole exercise of your book as well as your question bank too. Thanks for watching till last. I hope you enjoyed and understand each and every questions. If you still have any problem, please go in comment and write down your problem. Now next video will be part 2, trigonometric ratio of multiple angles, long question, from where you will get 4 marks. This multiple angle long questions are very important for SEE examination. Don't miss this video. Upcoming videos part 2 on long questions. Thank you so much.